And this is what your Windows 11 25H2 look like after the end of this video. In this tutorial I'm going to show that how to customize your Windows 11 25H2 taskbar, start menu and desktop as well. So let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show that how to customize your Windows 11 25H2. First you have to download and install this software called Windows. Links are given in the description box. After installation you'll see interface like this, and then click on browse for mods. First we're going to install Windows 11 Taskbar installer. Click on details and install it, and then go to this theme folder, go to this mods folder and copy this taskbar script, then click on advanced and then paste it here, then click on save. Okay, then we have to install another mods called taskbar height and icon size. Click on details and install it, then again go to this folder and open taskbar height and icon size and copy this script, then click on advanced and paste it here, then click on save. Now we're going to install Windows 11 start menu styler. Click on details and install it, and copy Windows 11 start menu styler code, click on advanced and paste it here, then click on save. Okay, now we're going to install another mods called Windows 11 Explorer styler. Click on details and install it, and then click on settings, and in theme section you have to select minimal explorer 11, then click on save. And then we have to install resources redirect. Click on details and install it, and then click on settings, and for the theme section we're going to use this theme, and then click on save and click on yes. Okay, now we're going to customize our desktop. For the desktop customization, first you have to install rain meter. Download rain meter and install it, then click on finish, and here is some default skin. Just right click on it and unload these skins. Okay, then copy this link and head up to this website, and then click on download, and so it will download this drop top rain meter skin. Now click on open file and then click on install. Click on continue. Select your language, click on continue, And in here choose how you would like to drop appear on your screen. I would like to choose desktop only and select desktop and click on continue. And for the menu bar I'd like to choose this one and then click on continue. And in here you have to select your apps then click on continue. And select your theme. Here I'd like to select this one. And then click on finish setup. Okay, now I'm done with the menu bar. Now let's set up the home screen. For the home screen I'd like to install this skin. Click on install. Okay, now hide your desktop icons and open Rainmeter and then expand this folder. And if you want to keep minimal your desktop, you can unload these skins. Just click on it and unload these skins. And for the wallpaper, you can choose whatever wallpaper you like. And this is it. This is how you can customize your Windows 11 25 S2. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.